My name is Connolly. I'm Head of Desk at the House of Trading. Come and see me at the London Financial Forum 2019, where we're going to be giving a technical perspective on the global outlook of economic events coming up in the year. Going into 2019, bond yields have been a big staring point for us as technical traders, especially for the euro, the Aussie and the dollar. So come and join ActivTrades for the London Financial Forum 2019 to take home some actionable insights to learning your day-to-day trading strategies.